Silver scaled towards new highs last week. We have seen it hitting 39.50 levels, the next milestone, and it has moved closer towards 40 now. Yes, the move here was very important, but again the closing of the week again is very critical. It is closed with a good drop towards $38 levels, erasing all the gains for the week. We have seen it closing at the bottom almost at the doji. Can we say now the bears are back? Can we say this is the time for gold to reverse? Are we looking forward to a correction in silver prices, not gold but silver prices? Are we looking forward to a correction here? What should be our strategy in order to profit trading silver in the coming week? We're gonna see here with the help of charts and indicators. This is a weekly review. I do share my twice a day updates for silver so that you can profit across Asia, Europe and US session every day. Subscribe, press the bell icon, do like, share and comment, join the free Telegram channel for live market updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start. First we'll look into the technical analysis, and towards the end of the update I'll be sharing the trading levels, so watch till the now. First let's have a look at the weekly chart, see what has happened on the weekly chart. See, I've discussed this, that it is trading in this nice flag. Every rise it retraces towards the bottom of the channel and it is almost at the top of it. It can again retrace towards the bottom, but right now it is not showing so aggressive bearishness. And also if you look at the last few candles, look at the base it is created here between 35.50 $36 zone. A very good support is created here. I will definitely watch out if at all silver tries to reverse from the current levels. I think, see, this last two candles, higher lows and higher highs are there. It is pretty important for us to observe that first silver, if it trades below 37.50 37.40 levels and then 37 levels, if these two levels are taken, see, first bearish candle swing here, and if it trades below 37.50 37.40 and then 37, you can stay short. You can stay short for 36 here. If not in this coming week, then possibly in the next week. Where it closes in the coming week is definitely something you should watch out for closely. Also, it is possible that creating the base, it has seen the highs, it may retrace like this and it creates another bullish channel here where 37 becomes the next support which it fails to break. This is something you should watch out for. Now look at the moving averages. These are trading with divergence, staying bullish, and it is almost now a couple of years since the lows here at 22. We have seen now silver spiking all the way towards 39.5. And now also look at the divergence of the price from the 20 period. The 20 period right now sitting at around 35. So these are going to remain pretty strong support here for silver prices. Look at the stochastic on the weekly charts. It is overbought. And if you see the MACD, now look at the MACD. See, these are the highs from where we have seen silver reversing. Again, it has come towards the same highs and it is trying to reverse, though it is still shying from the post-COVID volatility what we had seen. But yes, these are good levels, and from here the reversal cannot be denied. Also the divergence is it at extremes here. So the coming week is something which will decide the further direction, the future of silver prices. $40 level is one psychologically important number for silver to breach beyond, because this is the number which will again be a very strong support if at all silver price trades above 40, and hence the move in the coming week will confirm the direction it wants to take. Let's wait further. See, the RSI is at the top here. It can take a dip. Look at the daily charts, what it has done beautifully. You can watch my daily update, you can watch my yesterday's update. What did I mention? And you can see this. I have mentioned that, see, two bullish candle, reversal sign, and now symmetrical formation. See, these two candles are symmetrical. The current candles might remain symmetrical as well. What it did, it has kissed the 20 period, which was very important for silver to break. Now see this, divide this into two. This was the symmetry here. Now in the coming week, it is pretty important for silver to trade below 37.80 then 37.50 levels. If these two levels are taken, stay short for 37. Also notice this could be the beginning of bearishness. If it fails to sustain above 38 levels, this could confirm the beginning of the next downtrend where the prices might slide towards 37 and 36, the next critical zone. See, it is consolidated here enough. After consolidating, we have seen this move and now trying to erase the gains. I'll definitely be watchful. As long as now 37.50 is not taken, we should not be treating silver as bearish for the next few sessions. Now let's look at the broader time frame. See this rise retracement support, rise retracement. Now if it breaches this zone, there is a possibility that it may try to create or hit the bottom of this broader zone, which is right now sitting at 35. So this is the first observation here. Look at the stochastic. This is also dropped sharp right from the overbought zone. And the MACD, see the MACD here? It was trading bullish. See, after the drop, it is retraced. It is crossing over here. Now, once it crosses over, this should be the beginning of next downtrend here. See, the drop was sharp. The rise is gradual. And now it is dropping again. So this crossover may lead to more bearishness in the next few sessions. The RSI is also coming out of the overbought zone. Coming to the 4-hour chart, on the 4-hour charts, moving average is now starting to converge. Also look at the formation drop, sideways movement. It has breached 20-50-100 at the same time and it has come towards a support zone. Now this support zone is pretty critical for silver to break below 3780, 3750. Once these two levels are taken, I think this is the beginning of reversal. It might land at 37 first, 36.50 and $36 levels very soon. But notice the move here. See, diminishing bearishness and all the candles are outside Bollinger Bands and hence a little retracement cannot be denied. But again, even if it tries to retrace, remember till 39.20, it is not, we should not treat silver as bullish. And once it trades beyond 39.20, expect 39.50 to be taken. Beyond 39.50, this time it is going to breach 40, the critical number. Stochastic oversold here, the MACD trading sharply bearish, the RSI is oversold as here. Coming to the monthly chart. On the monthly charts, what has happened? See, first rise, then consolidation. The support at 28 is pretty strong. With that as support, see, it has tried to kiss the support once in the last few months since the tariffs, and since then we have seen a stronger rise. Now see this is how it is traded. It was outside Bollinger Bands. Now the closure of the current candle is going to be pretty important. Where it closes, this is something you should watch out for, because see, closing with less than half the body size of the complete move, I think this should also signal a possible retracement here in the next few weeks or in the coming month. Yes, where prices might trade below 36, and hence you have to watch out with caution where it closes. The moving averages are trading with divergence and are looking upwards, staying bullish. But when you look at the move here, the rise, the retracement, and again the rise here, this is the next move. See this rise, retracement, again the rise, and this is how it has been trading. This is almost at the top of the channel where the lows are now positioned at around 34-35 zone. Hence, let's watch out how it behaves in the coming week. This is really very important. Also notice the stochastic here is entering into overbought zone, and if you look at the silver for the last decade, you can find out whenever silver enters on the overbought zone on the monthly charts, the possibility of a pullback increases. This is combined with the MACD. Look at the MACD at the top here, and from here the possibility of convergence and crossover increases here. Let's wait again. How it behaves in the coming week is pretty important. RSI is at the top. So now we have seen the charts and indicators. Time for me to give you the trading levels and strategy here. But before I provide you the levels, if you are willing to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. Remember, it is very important for you to invest in learning first. This is the only investment which can give you profits throughout your life. Remember, always we first try to get an education and then we perform our duties in any profession or skill. And hence, it is also equally important and applicable for the stock markets as well. Thus, learn this art of trading, then invest. Join my next mentorship batch. It starts 1st of September. And yes, we are not the ones who just delivers the education. We delivers the targets every day, consistently, twice a day, without fail. And that gives you the confidence that yes, the educator is a trainer as well, and yes, he has got all the experience to deliver you the best of the learnings. Thus, join the mentorship batch. Starts 1st of September. Else, be a part of my signals channel where trading as per the signals you can benefit. Connect with me, write an email, ping me or telegram for your queries. Those looking forward to a trusted partner which offers you a swap-free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Now with that, where you should buy? I'll now recommend you to buy only if you see silver staying beyond 38.30, but then expect 38.50, 60 as the first resistance zone. Pretty strong resistance should be seen here. Then I will say 38.75, the nearest one, and then beyond this 39.20. Till 39.20, do not treat silver as bullish. If and only if this is taken, it is bullish. Below this, it can reverse any point of time. Even if it starts to rise, still 39.20 is not taken. Possibility will be there that silver can be reversing any point of time. Beyond 39.20, we are looking at 39.50, and if it trades beyond 39.50, ideally $40 levels has to be breached here. This is a critical mark for silver to stay above. Let's wait for the direction it takes in the coming week. This is pretty important. Now on the downside, again, I will recommend a selling entry at 37.80 levels here. Though you can sell at 38 itself, but then 38, 37, 80 is the pretty crucial support zone here. Below this, expect 37.50, 40 as the next target zone, and then I will expect it to move towards 37.10, the next support. Below 37.10, ideally the targets are going to be 36.60, 36.20, and then if this is taken, then 35.50. 35 has to be there very soon here. Be mindful of this, as in how it reaches the resistance here on the downside, the bearishness is going to accelerate, and thus the trades you are taking, you should strictly trail here. Specifically on the buy side, if you're taking any buy trade, you have to strictly trail your stop losses. Take your trades and positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch. Join my signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates. Join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading week ahead and a happy weekend. Do watch the twice a day updates. Definitely it will add on to your daily trading decisions. Thank you.